Welcome back, aliens. This is Navin Reddy from Telescope Learnings, and today's topic is networking. So, one of the biggest tools for success is networking. You should know how to network with people, right? Why networking is so important is when you are working in your life, you cannot do anything alone. You need people to help you, right? Bill Gates cannot build a Microsoft without, alone. No one can build an empire alone, right? They need people to do that. So networking is very important. I don't know if networking with everyone is important. If you're a college student, you have to network with your professors. You have to network with your friends. You have to network with your lab assistant, right? Engineering students, you know this what I'm talking about, right? So when you say networking with lab assistant, you know what I'm talking about. So you have to network with everyone, even with your watchman of your building. Let's say even if you're working for a company, you have to network with your colleagues. You have to also network with people who are into a different project. They're not into your project, but they're into a different project. Okay. Now, why it is helpful is when you network with people from the other project. Maybe let's say you're networking with a person who is not from your project. He's from different project. He's not your friend. Okay. You went to a cafeteria to have your lunch, and then you have seen one of the person from the other project. You know that guy by his face, but not with his name. So I would suggest to go sit with him, have your lunch with him. The advantage is when you talk during lunch, when you share something about you and your project, and when he shares something about him and his project, not the private things about the project, but something which you can share. The advantage is maybe in future, if you like his project and in that project they need someone with the skill set which you have, you might work with that project, right? So it's always better to network. You don't know how powerful it is. In fact, if you watch videos on YouTube on networking, they will give you lots of examples. All successful people, they are successful because of the strong networking they have. Talk about any successful person. No one can do anything alone, right? So you need networking. So from today, try to connect with everyone. Doesn't matter who is it may be your friend, it may be someone who is not you think is not potentially helpful for you, but you never know, right? Talk to people, help them. Okay, don't help people just because they might help you in future, but help people. If you want help in future, you have to help others and learn that stuff. Help others. It will improve yourself also. The example, if let's say if you know something, if you teach that thing to other people, you are helping them, right? But you will learn a different way. You will learn a different stuff about that thing when you are teaching to it. Make sure you help others, build a strong networking. Send messages to people. If you are using, okay, first of all, don't just connect everyone virtually. You have to connect with people physically, because that is more important than connecting with virtual thing. Virtual is the good thing, right? You can use WhatsApp, you can use messages, you can use Facebook, but talking to people physically, face to face is more important than talking to people on WhatsApp and Facebook, because texting is the most weird way of talking to people. It creates lots of misunderstanding, because you want to say something else and they take something else. Because see, when you talk to people face to face, you have two things. One is your words and your expression, your body language. But when you're talking to people on WhatsApp and Facebook chat, what is happening is you're talking to them using only text, and people might misinterpret the way the things you're talking. Okay, so make sure you use a proper channel to communicate with people. Face to face is more important. And texting is also good. Good morning text and all those stuff is good. But sending, like we have Diwali here in India now, everyone is wishing Diwali to everyone, right? They're using a WhatsApp feature where they can share all the GIFs. So we got some new GIF in this Diwali and some images. So they share it as a broadcast. Trust me, I have not replied anyone on this Diwali. The reason is, they don't know whom they are sending these messages, right? They are just forwarding all the messages, and it doesn't make sense to me, right? If you truly want to wish me, just send me a personal message. Don't send me a forwarded message. That doesn't make sense to me. Okay, your wish should be from your heart, because that's how you create a network, right? Sending a message, just a forwarded message, that will not create a network between you and me. You have to send a proper, genuine message that will connect. That's how you network with people. Okay, so to network with everyone, you don't know who will help you in future. Okay, even your watchman, your peon, your office boy, a bank employee. So even if you're going to a bank for a transaction, talk to the cashier, talk to the watchman. They might help you in future if you get a problem, anyone. Okay, don't just have your ego and then don't talk. I mean, there are people, they got lots of ego and they don't talk to people. I mean, why to talk with them and all those attitude. So build a strong network that will help you in future, trust me. So that's it, that's about networking. If you have some more tips on networking, just comment in the comment section. And if you liked this video, if you want such more videos, click on the like button, and to have more, do subscribe the channel. So thank you so much.